Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Usaze Usahunohodi. They expose the secret where those people with the rig election, they use take the rig election. He just still advise the people where go there for the area that day, where they for the vote, the things where they need to do so that make them no fit rig this Edo election where won't happen next week Saturday. So make I leave you now with Comrade Stanley Usaze Usahunohodi. Enjoy the video.
A great good morning to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. Myself, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze Usahunohodi. This morning, I believe we have more important things to discuss, and we've achieved a positive milestone development as far as the Edo 2020 gubernatorial elections and Ondo elections is concerned. But our major focus today centers on Edo election in itself, because as far as we are concerned, we must first take responsibility for our personal actions and activities before talking about others. Now, you know, there are some mischief makers online who have been saying that those in the diaspora, who are they? Do they have the capacity to vote? Will they be here? And I'm glad today to shock them from two dimensions. One, they are entering into town. Two, they have been able to draw international attention to the elections in Edo State. The one we're going to discuss again today is security measure. How to prevent these mischief makers, enemy of progress in Edo State, from rigging these elections. They already know within them that they don't have the people on their side. Even up to yesterday, one of them told me, "Comrade, I know you people will win, but we will not give you." I laughed. You know, it is very difficult for those who have analog memory to fit in to the contemporary world, where information communication technology is not the order of the day. So let us not be bamboozled. Let us not be hoodwinked by their statement. Make your focus your focal point. We will win, and we will be declared winner by the appropriate authority. By the power of God Almighty, we do not need to brag about it. But the truth of the matter is very clear. A clear message has been sent to INEC. In short, do not support any party. Do not support the incumbent governor. Do not support Governor Godwin Obaseki. Do not support Ize-Iyamu. Give Edo people what they truly want. Allow the vote of the people to reflect. Now let's start from the first part of our discussion. Those in the diaspora have created a milestone. A milestone. It has never happened before. As of today, visa ban has been slapped on some selected election manipulator in Edo State by the United States government. Some governors that have been affected include but not limited to the miscreants who refused to pay salary for 18 months. But Adamu Shomole went to his place to continue to dance Azoto and in return him elected. It's no other person than Bello, Yaya Bello. So as we speak today, the European Union is already on the top gear, monitoring the elections and ready to sanction appropriately any individual that tends to manipulate or disrupt the functionality of our modern democracy. Now, the question is posed to those mischief makers. Will you not say that those in the diaspora have not been able to impact positively on these elections? And I can assure you that the average Edo man in diaspora, those that will not return to Edo, have mobilized nothing less than 10 to 15 persons to vote for Governor Godwin Obaseki. The question is, do they really have impact in the elections? Now they've been able to attract the international community to the elections. Some persons have received sanctions already, ranging from visa ban and many other activities that may go beyond what has been unleashed right now, because of the fact that the United States and the European Union is concerned about the elections in Edo and Ondo State. So for those who think that social media has no power, you are making a mistake. I can authoritatively confirm that those in the diaspora around each country have been able to reach their representative, calling on the government of that country to pay a rapt attention to the elections in Edo State. What else are you looking for? These persons have been able to create an indispensable niche. Those in the diaspora have been able to create an indispensable niche in the sound of time. As of today, the entire world is focused on Edo State. Now, it is good for you to understand how this thing works. Across the world, anywhere you find Edo people, they all rallied in either the Nigerian embassy or in the capital of every country, calling on the government, giving formal endorsement to the Obaseki administration, and calling on the government of that country to remain focused. It was done in America, it was done in Dublin, it was done in Canada, it was done in UK, it was done in Germany, it was done in Japan. I posted all these, and it was done around all countries of the world, including Arab world. A classical example is Egypt, Oman, and many more. We have them in our archive. So for now, I will say a very big thank you to those in the diaspora for standing tall to help us right the wrong that some of us who is on ground does not really know happens. I have said it before now, and I'm repeating it again. It is not easy for one to travel out of a country such as Nigeria. And education, to me, is simply the lifelong learning process of experience within or outside the school, which aim at the development of an individual to be mentally, physically, emotionally, socially, and intellectually fit. So, even if you went to the four walls of the tertiary, primary, and secondary institution, and you lack the ability to travel to know what happens around you, you might be good in the use of English language, but you might not understand what real governance is. This lets you wonder why the likes of Osagie Izeyamu was asked a specific question in a debate. He went haywire. He was busy attacking Obaseki. If you look at his statement, he was talking fine in terms of the use of English, but you know clearly that he has an empty brain. Even if he has the ability to disseminate information, one thing is to answer question. The second is to know the question that he asks you. You were a student at the University of Benin. Information moving around that this happened while you were a student. This is an opportunity for you to clear it. Instead of him to answer the question, he said, the records are there, go and check. Obaseki did not do this. Obaseki did not. Was that the question? This is what we need to understand. So when you think you went to school, according to Osomole, he said he went to the University of Benin. He graduated. He read law, but he's not a barrister. Student service, 0. Assessment, 0. Where is your law school certificate? I battered someone with acid. That was Oshomole's statement, not mine. So the truth is, when education is not all about coming out the way Osakwuno is talking now. Apart from talking with the use of English language, we should be able to know focus. We should be able to have focus and address a specific problem at a point in time. Do not make your communication cumbersome, because it will be difficult for those who are listening to you to really get the feelings of the information you are trying to disseminate. That was exactly what we saw in the debates. Why Governor Godwin Obaseki was focused and determined. He did not respond to any attack by Ezeyamu. Therefore, he was busy driving home his point, telling the people what he has done and telling the people what he intends to do in the future. Ezeyamu jettisoned his simple agenda. He jettisoned it. He threw it into the trash can of history. He did not tell a dumb man or woman what he's going to do for them. He was busy attacking Governor Godwin Obaseki as if he was perfect. Why Ezeyamu was the Secretary to the State Government of Edo State for many years and the Chief of Staff, no single borehole was tied to his name. When they asked him a question, he said, a man that have left government for 13 years. Is that an answer? What did you actually do? Let me tell you, whenever you commit a crime, even if it spends 200 years, when a serious government comes into play, the government have the responsibility to revisit such a crime. So don't say that it has happened 30 years ago, let's forget it, let's move on. No, we must continue to question your history, because history is all about antecedent. History is all about antecedent. The question now is, what are your antecedents? We've already agreed in the past that we are not going to adjust these elections on the basis of what you intend to do for us. We are going to adjust this election on the basis of your antecedent. The question is, we know that your antecedent is tied to Ghana must go bad and distribution of public wealth, and as well, taking an advantage of the democratic infrastructure to satisfy yourself. That is why, as of today, a tractor supplied by NDDC is in Ezeyamu's farm. While we were in government, all the Secretary to the State Government activities was geared towards circumventing the will of the people, taking the collective wealth of the people. Where did he work? His personal compound is bigger than Samuel Gbemudia Stadium. This is in the heart of GRA. For you to get such land, there must be manipulation. And Ezeyamu, when it comes to issue of manipulation, shortcut, and the rest, he's a professor. Now, you will recall in his discussion in the debate, all his discussion was about 700 million. And you could also recall that the case he has with the EFCC today is all about 700 million. I don't know if this man is tied to 700 million. Security vote, security vote, security vote, security vote. Now let me tell you why he was focused about the security vote. Security vote is given to governor to spend discretionally within his will to address the security situation in his state. The government is not accountable to anybody when it comes to security vote. So Ezeyamu is focused on security vote because he knows that is what he will come to steal if he comes into power. He will just be cornering the security vote. So that is why, because he knows that is his focus, he believes that what he will do is what the next man is doing. That is why he keeps on questioning security vote, because he wants to come in to collect those security vote. And we are saying Kabuto rejects our mentor to that. So when you talk about education, when you talk about the ability to disseminate information, it's not about the good use of technical terminology or the good use of English language. The question is, do you have the capacity to drive home your points? They ask if a simple question is asked, do you have the capacity to respond to such question without going haywire? The same way Ezeyamu went haywire in the discussion. So I am using this opportunity. Please share this video. Share this video. Share this video. I'm using this opportunity to thank Edo people worldwide and those who are involved. I have received more than 50 calls from non-Edo indigenes, from Lagos, from abroad, Igbos in abroad. They have been calling me. Many of them. Comrade Stanley, we sing your good job. Please, you people should not give up. The Igbos are concerned. The Yorubas are concerned. The Hausas are concerned. Everyone's are concerned. We will no longer go back to Egypt. Edo is going to create a sustainable political template, a pedestal for all other states to emulate. And if the heartbeat of the nation, the centerpiece of the progressive development of Nigeria, gets it right, Nigeria certainly will get it right. Please share this video. Share this video. Invite your friends to watch. I know this early morning, some persons are going to work already. I am prepared for my political activities for today. Coordinator General, Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Comrade Stanley Osaze at my back. Obaseki is the project in my face cap. We are set for today's activities. Now, Emina Gbe Maewu Aewe. The essence say, what Gbe say go ewoto. This is no time for. We know you guys have tried, and those in the diaspora. We know you have tried, but I want to challenge you. We are talking as an Oliver Twist. We will continue to ask for more. Please and please continue to make those calls. Let the rally continues. In fact, let me call on you all again. This is another strategy. I want to announce it to you now. This is to those in the diaspora. The election day, for those who are not in Nigeria, when you must have mobilized your members and your people to vote in the election, let protest continues in all the capitals around the world. When the election is going on, for those who cannot come out, who cannot come to Edo State, fine. When the election is going on, I know you've already done your mobilization. I'm aware. But that election day, every capital around the world should see our protest. Every capital around the world. This is not about calling on them to endorse Obaseki. This is about calling on them to ensure free, fair, and credible elections. And by the power of God, the EU delegation will be in Edo State. The American delegation will be in Edo State. And through your protest, the government can communicate with their delegation. Then from our part, we will supply you useful information where necessary. In case we notice any form of manipulation, we will not hesitate to make it public. Then those of you in the diaspora will pick it up. While those of us domestically will continue. We will pressure them the carrying the elections. We are going to pressure them. In fact, when they say pepper them, we pepper them. We pepper them. No manipulation nowhere. No, we will not allow any form of manipulation. So I want to say a very big thank you to those in the diaspora. I will not want to mention names because there are specific names. Over 500 Edo persons, I have their names here with me. Around the world, we know the huge role you guys played. We know the role you guys play to address this problem. We are indeed very grateful, and I can authoritatively assure you that the government of Edo State, ably led by Governor Godwin Obaseki, acknowledges your effort. This is why you guys have interacted more than 10 times, more than 15 times through appropriate channels. Let's leave that for another day. He acknowledges your effort. He loves what you are doing. Please ensure you make your focus your focal point. Don't say we have already achieved it. Since the US don't slap sanction, EU they ready now to slap your sanction. Rest first. No resting. No resting. Don't rest. Don't rest yet. As for me, as you can see, you all know, I told you all, I have left the house ever since. I am in the streets. I am in the street. We know that their goal is to clamp down on intelligent machineries. Their goal is to clamp down on intelligent machineries. And when you say intelligent machinery, you should know that intelligent machinery should be able to think faster before you. We know certainly they will come and look for the likes of Osakwe Nokwudi. We know. So let them not make a mistake. It won't work. How I wish they did this. I left my home since I came down from the fence to support Obaseki, because I know that when I'm coming in, I'm going to come in with facts and figures. That is why if you see my video, I only target 3 persons. Adamu Shomole, who is now the current political Odigwetu. I don't care about the Pele. Those are the ones that you see shouting, Ifeyamu, they are all fighting for Evaide, and the Evaide is no longer coming. I don't want to mention name. A man, a popular individual in this state, met me and he told me, comrade, I won't lie to you, you took a better decision. He's an ardent supporter of Isaiah. He's weak today. He's tired. Isaiah, you know, telling me where young woman. Why people are busy selling their houses, donating money, the same people they are donating money for are busy building hotels. Una not get sense. Una not get sense. If they told me point blank, you made a wise choice to support this governor. We just that we cannot go back again. I told them, listen, you can go back. The election day, you can change this narrative. Election day, you can change the narrative. So don't tell me you can't go back. Go back and support progress. Go back and support forward ever, backward never. Extensive infrastructure and community services provided in line with population density by this administration. All these are visible. Adam Oshiomhole came out publicly to say that nothing was on ground. As we speak, he is ashamed of himself right now because his manipulation cannot work. Now we'll discuss about the second segment. But before we go there, I want to say I'm still reiterating the fact that Edo's Worldwide has been able to create an indispensable niche. It has never happened before. To an extent that the international community is now extremely concerned. Even before election, sanction has been slapped on some persons. That is to tell you how serious, that is to tell you how curious these international governments are. And let me tell you something. The international government does not play with their citizenry. Even if the government here is adopting some lukewarm attitude or some nonchalant attitude, otherwise a lackadaisical attitude, those Western governments listen to their citizenry. And let me tell you something. There are those in the diaspora who are more like a more strong citizen even than an indigenous member of such country. So as of today, we have citizens around the world who can call on the government of this country to pay an undivided attention to the elections in Edo State. We are not saying that they should come and manipulate elections in favor of Obaseki. No. Let the will of the people prevail. Free, fair, and credible elections. Do not give up. Get yourself prepared. The task ahead is enormous. And I strongly believe that in the anticipated future, from the 20 to 21, by the power of our ubiquitous God, there will be cause to celebrate. There will be reason to celebrate. There will be elder. We can never allow Edo to be pushed into a political imbroglio. We will not allow it. Imbroglio cannot take place in Edo. We must ensure that we collectively declare Kabuto rejectamenta against this selected being. Now, this is a message to the security agency. I am glad today with the current security architecture in Edo State, I must first of all commend the federal government and the security agency in itself. But I will tell you the truth. Do not allow yourself to be used. Edo have intelligent people. Edo never accept intimidation. Nobody can coerce an Edo citizen to do things against their willingness. Please, do not allow yourself to be used. Remain focused. And again, nobody should be allowed to vote. After voting, you will not show who you voted for. When they go to the cubicle, let them vote, place it in the ballot box, then leave to monitor or to defend their vote. They will give some distance so that others can vote. The idea of allowing people after voting, you now say, look at it, so that you go and collect money from somewhere, maybe that will lead to little stress. So to avoid such stress, the security agency, you are in the best position to ensure absolute security, a sanitized environment. By the power of God, I want to call on Edo people now. One of the rules by INEC is that nose marks must be available. So please, we cannot share nose marks in the election day. We still have today, tomorrow, which is Thursday, next tomorrow, which is Friday, to share nose mask. Please, if you can make available nose masks for us, please send it to Comrade Stanley Usaze Osakwena, so that we will share, even if it is 200,000 nose masks. Make it available to me so that we will share it with immediate effect. Please, we still have 3 days left. Let me on this AC. Hit the wall in 1 minute, please. Please, you can make these nose marks available. See, have 3 days. Campaign is not over until it is over. Don't say we don't already do and finish. No. By the power of our ubiquitous God today, there are much activities. Join me live later. Please make these nose marks available. Now, as for the security agency, we've sent a clear message. Do not allow anybody to display his or her vote. Now, this is to Godwin Obaseki and members of the APC. They cannot ring the election in the polling units. It's no way. They cannot ring election in the polling units. Even where they declare results, they cannot ring it. The only place where election is being rigged is the collation center. Now, we do not only need reliable people alone in the collation center. We need both reliable and mathematicians. We need both reliable people and mathematicians, those who can calculate very fast. One thing is for you to be reliable. One thing is for you to have integrity. The other thing is to know what to do in that particular place. So integrity alone is not enough. We need integrity, people with integrity in the collation center. We need people, intelligent people in the collation center. And we need those that can calculate. And again, let me tell you how they rig in the collation center. This is how they rig in the collation center. You see those people who their names are on register that did not come to vote in the election day. That is the names that they ascribes to who they want to favor with rigging. So that is why you need an intelligent people to be there. Osakwena will not be there, but will be close to that area for sure. But those who are going inside the collation center, because our own will go there on ground. Our own are to show the world as they go by the power of our ubiquitous God. As of today, I want to try also 1 or 2 things. I want to go buy that small, I better pass my neighbor generator today. I will put that beside my motor. I go buy fuel put. Anywhere I reach, I go on. The phone go dey charge there, so I no will let electricity be my problem. Say my phone not charge. I will buy a better pass my neighbor generator. By the power of God, if I feel hustle from now till the evening, I will buy that better pass my neighbor. And if by the power of God things work out as a planner, we don't need that kind of better pass my neighbor generator like 4 safe. All those our real bloggers we no say get followers, we go put that for a motto to make you see the honor they go. Anywhere you reach, show you see manipulator, show the world, make they see them. Anywhere you reach, when you see say Go live immediately. Then by the power of God Almighty, we are going to make available subscription to some of these persons too. We'll subscribe them. So no fear say anywhere I have the data, we will ensure we provide data to these persons. Real bloggers, we know them. We'll provide data. I will do that by the power of God. So if you don't, you see, I'm not thinking and say, hey, my quick cut and make my data not go finish. No, we'll make data available. So in that collation center, now that area, therefore they manipulate. Those people where they there who not come vote, they go ascribe that vote to the other one. Say take. Then when you get men of integrity on ground, we're not they intelligent, we're not smart. The difference between integrity, intelligence, smartness, and to know book now separating. You must be intelligent. You must be smart to know say, you know, when they want to do another, if they don't follow back, send somebody message. And when they want make call for all those units, for all those collation center, once you see say anybody where they in charge of the collation, they make call. As they make that call, not put here for a call, now you right to receive private call. As they drop the call, start to observe any of the move. Start to observe any of the move. As it, because not be everything you go remember at that particular time. So the people who just go call out to remember. Once he get the reminder, he go say okay, correct. He go want to do what they send now. Then as they receive that call, you put out for your body. Then they watch any of the move. Then when you see and say he make any move, raise alarm and bust them. The security there will arrest. Even if say that he be the head of the collation, he will be arrested. Even let me tell you, in an election day, apart from the immunity for governors, the deputy governor, the president, no other person have immunity. Let nobody deceive you. Nobody can stop the governor from moving in the state. He's still the governor. So nobody can say there is a restriction. You can't restrict a president. You can't restrict a governor. You can't restrict a deputy governor. You can restrict the speaker. You can restrict Osakwuno. You can restrict all other citizens. But you can't restrict these citizens. First and second citizen of a state and a country. You can't restrict them. So for those who will be there, when you see say call, make sure say you follow up with that call. Not listen to a call. It is right to listen to make calls, but after making that call, look at his next move. Be intelligent enough to follow suit. The veteran say yes, in the form ECSA that is there, we observe that the total number of persons that voted was 50. Then those who didn't come to vote was 100. Please look for a way to change that 100 from there to into this form ECSA. You hear him say okay, you drop call. Then you stand, not shout for them. They look up. Then that one are for those who go stand as the smart people. Then we need those who can calculate. Not be say you sit down, they tell you say when you add this to this, it will now be 400. You say okay, I did it. No, you should know. Say how did you get this 400? Let me do my working. Do your working. Do your working. Not be say they tell me say nah. You do your working yourself to confirm say that is the actual result after the collation. Let's say Bubawaka Ward 1, like collations are in different locations. Let's say Bubawaka local government, we know where we do our collation. Now when they bring all unit results, they collate. Your agents gives you your own, say see you. Now he pay me, okay, yes I have it. A photocopy machine dey. I get my photocopy machine, but I don't know whether I go still. I don't drop am since. It was given to me some 3 years ago by my leader, my brother, my father, distinguished Senator Ege Ozamere, when he was coming from America. He sent it to me. He brought a printer to me. So, and a photocopy machine. So if peradventure I check and say the work, I will bring that photocopy machine to the polling unit. Once you finish election, that your result will photocopy on if you see the work. Then if my own not the work, I beg the government of the day to make available photocopy machine. People don't need to come off or polling unit to go outside go photocopy. Let the result spread. Make we spread the result. Make we spread the result. Photocopy, and then when you photocopy it, your collation representative will have it. Why did they do their collation inside what they do you? You go tell them, say, this is what I got. What did you get? This one say, this is what I got. Okay, let's reconcile. Let's reconcile what you got. So let nobody tells you when you add this to this, now we can't get this, or you can say, okay, I did there. I will not allow them manipulate. They have manipulated already. So we do not only need reliable people, we need both smart and intelligent people to be there. Those who can calculate effectively. There are some people who are good in problem solving. There are some people who do not even know how to talk, but they are good in calculation. Bring them in, because these numbers are enormous. It is large. So you need a smart and calculative personality to be there at that particular point in time. So this is the message that I have for us this morning in my early morning broadcast. We have, as we have earlier said, by the power of our ubiquitous God Almighty, I strongly believe that before now till the evening, we may get the means to buy at least 4 I better pass my neighbor. How far where you are, go and charge your phone. Charge it. Charge your phone. And that, get it clearly, it will not be close to any of the polling units. So for those who have opportunity to receive a generator, take it far from the polling unit. Look for one non-voter who is below 18, like 5 young boys. Make them sit down near the generator. They'll be there. Buy drink for them. Buy food for them. If the need be, you can put computer game and television. They may not see reason to come out there. Make them monitor the phone as they charge. Once the first one weak, change up. Bring in the new one. Continue your live video. No cause for alarm. They can't intimidate the people. They can't manipulate. Let the will of the people prevail. Let the will of the people prevail. A message sent to INEC, and I was glad yesterday there was an official assurance by the INEC in the stakeholder meeting that they are going to conduct free and fair elections. I wonder why Adamu Shomole and Ize Yamu refused to attend the stakeholder meeting called by INEC. This is because maybe it's clearing to them already that no manipulation can take place. So Wamayamu or say whichever way the result turns to be efficacious. Thank you very much this morning for listening to me. It's me, your brother, your friend, the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, Comrade Stanley Usaze Osakwena Holding. And I'm using this opportunity to thank all our members worldwide for your efforts so far. I am coming out to say we will do this, we will do that, we will do this, we will do that. This is as a result of your efforts. So I should not come here to take accolade, to say Usakwena Holding want to do this, Usakwena Holding want to do that. No, it's not Usakwena Holding. It is done by Edos in the diaspora, under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, under the aegis of Edos in the Western world, under the aegis of Edos in the East, under the aegis of Edos in all parts of the world. Thank you very much for listening to me. I am glad to have disseminated this information. Once again, I remain my humble self, your noble rights activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze Osakwena Holding. Osakwena Holding. If you know the meaning of the name, you won't bother to hurt us because you will fail. We will not be boys where they come and say, we don't fight. We will intelligently cripple you and disarm you. For those who intend to reach out to me, don't forget nose mask. Don't forget nose mask. For those who intend reaching out to me, I still remember my humble self, 070-3610-9939 on WhatsApp. 070-3610-9939 on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. I will not mention name. Our brother in the UK, we salute you. Our sister in the UK, we salute you. Our mama in America, we salute you. Our father in America, we salute you. Our people in Japan, we salute you. Our people in Australia, we salute you. Our people around the world, we salute you. Thank you once again. You know, in this kind of situation, it will be difficult to mention name, but we know you. You know yourself. Thank you and have a lovely day. Don't forget, continue to make that call. Don't forget, the election day should be a protest day in these capitals around the world. Place pressure on them. Do not give them the opportunity to manipulate. If you are not on ground, make sure say you did that protest ground. If you cannot travel to your capital, 5 of you should organize your own in your state, anywhere you are around the world. The number remains 070-3610-9939. In case you reach me with that number, it's off because for now my memory generator also odoyo. So you might send me message, you might call me, it will be ringing there, it will not ring here. So you can reach me on 080-7974-2172. I repeat, 080-7974-2172. Let's intelligently cripple them. Obaseki is the project. 4+4 Ogbane Egin Afiwire. 4+4 Ogbane Egin Afiwire. No manipulation anywhere. Let us not brag. Let's wait and allow the results speak for himself. Bye for now. Good morning.
Now we don't hear from Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. You understand, you hear everything we do explain now for this video. How to stop rigging. How to stop those people with the rig election, make them no fit rigger. It don't bring out the information. So I beg this video, make you help us share them now. Share them to friends and family so that make them for learn from this information where Stanley Osaze bring come. So thank you for watching Dan ERG YouTube.